Thailand is a country in Southeast Asia, positioned at the center of mainland Southeast Asia, spanning 513,120 square kilometers, with a populace of just about 70 million. The country is bordered to the north by Myanmar and Laos, to the east via Laos and Cambodia, to the south by means of the Gulf of Thailand and Malaysia, and to the west by means of the Andaman Sea and the extremity of Myanmar. Thailand additionally shares maritime borders with Vietnam to the southeast, and Indonesia and India to the southwest. Thailand has skilled a couple of coups and navy dictatorships. Since 2019, it's been nominally a parliamentary constitutional monarchy. In practice, however, structural blessings inside the charter have ensured the armies maintain on electricity. Bangkok is the state's capital and largest metropolis. Thai peoples migrated from southwestern China to mainland Southeast Asia from the 11th century. Indianized kingdoms consisting of the Mon, Khmer Empire and Malay states ruled the location, competing with Thai states, which includes the kingdoms of Ngo and Yang, Sukhothai, Lan Na, and Ayutthaya, which additionally rivaled every different. European contact began in 1511 with a Portuguese diplomatic assignment to Ayutthaya, which became a nearby strength by the give-up of the 15th century. Ayutthaya reached its top throughout cosmopolitan Narai's reign, regularly declining thereafter till being in the long run destroyed within the Burmese-Siamese War. Taksin Fast reunified the fragmented territory and hooked up the fast-lived Thonburi kingdom. He turned into succeeded in 1782 through Budayatpha Chulalongkorn, the first monarch of the contemporary Chakra dynasty. Throughout the era of Western imperialism in Asia, Siam remained the best nation within the location to avoid colonization through overseas powers, although it became regularly forced to cede both territory, exchange and prison concessions in unequal treaties. The Siamese system of government turned into centralized and transformed right into a cutting-edge unitary absolute monarchy within the reign of Chulalongkorn. In World War I, Siam sided with the Allies, a political choice made in an effort to amend the unequal treaties. Following a bloodless revolution in 1932, it had become a constitutional monarchy and modified its reputable name to Thailand, becoming an ally of Japan in World War II. In the overdue 50s, a military coup underneath Field Marshal Sarath Thinarath revived the monarchy's historically influential role in politics. Thailand became a main ally of the USA, and played an anti-communist position within the place as a member of the failed SEATO, however from 1975 sought to enhance family members with Communist China and Thailand's neighbors. Apart from a brief length of parliamentary democracy within the mid-1970s, Thailand has periodically alternated between democracy and army rule. Since the 2000s, the country has been caught in chronic sour political warfare between supporters and combatants of Thaksin Shinawatra, which led to two coups, in 2006 and 2014, in conjunction with the status quo of its present-day constitution, and nominally democratic authorities after the 2019 Thai well-known election, and ongoing pro-democracy protests that started out in 2020. Thailand is a middle energy in global affairs and a founding member of ASEAN, and ranks high within the Human Development Index. It has the second biggest financial system in Southeast Asia and the 22nd largest in the international via PPP. Thailand is assessed as a newly industrialized financial system, with manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism as main sectors.